Hi, this is Lakshmikant Tiwari. Today I am going to start a new video tutorial for material design of Android Nougat. So here I have developed a sample application based on Android and material design. So in this module we are going to take a overview of a material design, and we will be also developing this application. However, throughout this series we will be developing at least 5 modules. So the first module is based on the drawer and toolbar of material design. So as you see here a sample application, it has here action bar and there are 3 items: settings, users and about us. If I press the setting item, you see here setting clicked, and here is a cart, and then here is a search bar. And if you see here at the left of it is a navigation drawer, and if you click on the navigation drawer, a drawer would be slided into your mobile screen. Then you can set here your profile picture, then your name, and then email address. Of course this is not my real email address, so don't try to send any email on this email address. And then the item of your drawer navigation, and then here is a subheader. So these 4 items is into the group. If you see here, this is highlighted, and if I press the outside and if I again slide this navigation drawer, then draft is still pressed. Suppose that if I press in all mail, all email clicked, but if I again take it out and you see still draft is clicked. So these 4 items is grouped into a group, and these 3 items are just item as a subheading. So this tutorial is going to explain what is material design, and then I'll design this theme from a scratch. So let's first take a material design. So you need to take on a Google and then search a material design. Then the first search, introduction material design, open it. Then it will lead you to a new tab bar, and this in tab bar you can see the material design, and there is an introduction. And if you come down, then you will see here a little bit explanation of a material design. Material design is really very fantastic, and it gives a great looks with its bold graphics, intentionals and motion also. So it has animations, graphics, etc. Really it's a very beautiful, and it is available only after Android Lollipop. If you try to run material design below the Lollipop, it would not run. So now let's take it ahead. If you open it here, click on here, you will see here the material design, introduction, environment, material properties, elevation and shadows. So let's first take a material properties. What is this material properties? Material properties says what type of color do you want, right? Such as a solid color or a gradient color, okay? Any color, whatever you want, right? And how the dimension you want, right? So if you see here, it has the consistency, right, across all the dimensions, but it does not. So that's why Google prefer don't use this design technique. Apart from this, okay, if you come here, material is a solid. Okay, so it says that do this one. Okay, so input events only affected the foreground material, that's mean this one, and don't pass it your effect through this foreground material, that's mean on this one, right? So these are the few designing techniques which we will be discussing throughout this tutorial series. And if you come into the style, then you see the color, and here you see a very beautiful color. This is known as a material color palette, and this is provided by Google. So I'll be telling you how to design your Android application which is compatible with Android material design. So there are many color here: red, pink, purple, deep purple, indigo, and the blue. So let's take a first blue color. So here is the first one with the medium intensity, that's 500, and the lightest color is with the 50 intensity, and the darkest color is available with 900 intensity, right? And in the same pink, purple, deep purple, blue, indigo, light blue, cyan, teal, green, light green, lime, and the many more colors are available. So these are the designing techniques which we will be using throughout our tutorial series, and you can refer this designing guidelines while designing your professional application. Apart from colors, there are icons. There are many icons. Okay, so I am going to stop this video tutorial here. In the next video tutorial, we will be discussing the icon and image, typography and writing, and other features of the material design. So thank you so much for watching this video tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one. In the next ones, I will be covering more about the material design, and subscribe this channel so that you can get update in your inbox if I make a new video on Android material designing. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.